So here I have a right triangle, and perhaps the most famous theorem on right triangle is the Pythagorean Theorem, which says little a squared plus little b squared is equal to little c squared, where c is the hypotenuse. Now, let me show you guys something that is also really cool. Firstly though, capital A, B, C are the angles, and here I'm saying that C is 90 degrees, that's the right angle. And I will tell you, if we have that, then sine squared A plus, I don't want to do cosine, let's just do sine squared B. This right here is really equal to sine squared C. And I think this is very nice, because it's kind of like the Pythagorean theorem, right? I think that's really cool. The condition for this to be true is that C has to be the right angle, and then A, B, C are the angles inside of a right triangle. So to show why this is true, we can start with the side that has more stuff, which is the left-hand side, and then just do some algebra and then see what happens. Let's have a look. So begin with sine squared A plus sine squared B. This notation means that we have sine A, and then we square that, and then this right here, same thing, sine B, and then we square that. Now, what is sine A? Well, look at this picture. A is here, and we just have to do opposite over hypotenuse. So we get A over C, and then square that. Sine B, we do opposite over hypotenuse, so that will be B over C. So far, so good. Now, this right here is just A squared over C squared, and this is just B squared over C squared. And of course, they have the same denominator, which is so nice. We can put them together. A squared plus B squared over C squared. And you know what else is nice? The top right here is precisely C squared. C squared over C squared, that is just equal to 1. Okay. So this is equal to 1. This is not equal to sine squared C. Well, it is, because as I mentioned earlier, C is 90 degrees. So right here, I can purposely write this as sine of 90 degrees. I'm just going to indicate like this. C is equal to 90 degrees. And that is equal to 1. And of course, if you square that, that's still equal to 1. And I'm just going to put a square right here, just like this. I think this is very, very cool. And of course, you can also say sine squared A plus cosine squared A is equal to 1. But in my opinion, this looks much better.